Hello everybody, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. If you have been here before, my name is Kate. I'm excited to be here for a new video. It's actually January and I've had a pile in my room for like a hot minute and I was like, I need to film this before I use any of it, but I just kept putting it off and putting it off and putting it off. So I'm finally here to film and share with you guys what I bought the day after Christmas. We decided to go out. I was actually looking for AirPods, which was one of my Christmas gifts. We went to like every place that you could think of looking for them, and then we went over to the Collection, which is just a little shopping center outdoors where I wanted to look around, and I found some like cute little things that I wanted to show you guys. So let's get right into it. First place that I went to, I actually went to like Kohl's and Target and a couple other of those places, but the first place that I bought anything from was Ulta, and of course I had to make an Ulta stop. I got some setting spray and then I got one of the Kylie holiday kits. I got the mini lip collection because all of the holiday sets were 40% off this day. I'm obsessed with all Kylie cosmetics. I'm actually wearing the bright pink color right now. So I bought these for these last two colors right here. I thought they were so fun. I actually already had autumn and One Wish. I got One Wish in like the mini size for Christmas in my Christmas stocking, but I was excited to have another one just because I love the shade. I'm also obsessed with the shade Angel. I've been wearing it as like an everyday color just because it's a little bit darker than some, but I have 15 or so colors, so it was cool to try colors that I didn't know if I was going to be obsessed with, because I don't think I would just go ahead and order the big size of this one. So I was really excited to get that. It was $30 originally, so I paid like $17 for it. Definitely worth it. I just love Kylie Cosmetics. The other thing I got was this e.l.f. setting spray. I tried it once already, and not gonna lie, it made my skin break out in like hives. And I have like semi-sensitive skin, but I wouldn't say like I have super sensitive skin. So I was really upset, and I probably won't be using this again. It could have been anything that day, but this was the only new thing that I tried, and so I'm probably not gonna use that again. The next place I went to was Uptown Cheapskate, I think that's how you say it. It's like a little, I'm gonna sneeze. It's like a Plato's Closet. I found this little purse. It's a little circular purse. I think I paid $11 for it, and I just think it's so cute. It's gonna be perfect for spring. It doesn't really fit for like right now, but I really like it. It's got a lot of room in it. I have no idea where this is from. I wanna say it was made at like Target or something, or where it was originally sold. The tags don't say anything. Made in China. That says Target. Ha! I was right, it says Target inside. Oh my gosh. So it's from Target, but I got it from Uptown Cheapskate. Next, I went to Francescas, and Francescas was having a sale on their holiday gift items, but when I went over to the clearance area, every clearance item that was marked down looked like it was 70% off, so I asked one of the workers and they told me yes. So I ended up buying a ton of random little things from there, and they rung up the price that they were marked, but since they told me that it was part of the sale, they honored the pricing for me, which was awesome. So I got this really cute little tumbler that says look on the bright side, and it has flowers on it. They look kind of like watercolored. It's by Natural Life. It was marked for $14.98 and I got 70% off of that price, so I think I paid like $3 or $4 for it, and it's so cute. It's perfect for coffee. Now that I'm working and I've been making my coffee at home, it was the perfect thing for me to get. The next thing that I got from Francescas was this little candle. I got it to actually like more of like a knickknack. I don't love the smell. It's very clean. It's called Fresh Sea Salt, and it was ringing up for $6.98, and I got it for like a couple bucks. I just really like the way it looks, so I wanted to put it on like a shelf and kind of use it for like an aesthetic, not really so much for the candle itself, but for the price you can't really pass that up. And then I got this cute little elephant for my key ring. It's so dang cute. The elephant is supposed to be for luck and strength. I just thought it was so cute, and I haven't really put anything new on my keychain in a while, so I grabbed that. And then the last thing that I got on sale was this cute little piggy bank. It says Adventure Fund on it, right? Okay, yeah. It says Adventure Fund on it, and it has, you know, some cute watercolor. And then it's a piggy bank, so it was marked $6.98 as well. I got it for a couple bucks. I just thought it was really cute to put up on a shelf with some of my other stuff. I've been really looking for some cute little knickknacks to put on there that aren't going to be too bulky. Alright, we all know that Bath & Body Works has the best candles, or some of the best candles. And this is actually my mom's favorite scent. I am obsessed with it as well. They had all of their candles either, I think they were like $10 or like $5 depending on the brand. So this one is Marshmallow Fireside. Let's see. It's a 3-wick candle and I got it for $10 at Bath & Body Works. I wish I could describe how good it smells. Like, it's not super overbearing, which I love because I hate overbearing candles, but it's like strong and I'm obsessed with it. And then the last place that I went during Christmas shopping was DressUp, and DressUp was having 40% off, so of course your girl went crazy. They were having 40% off their sale items as well, so I was finding shirts for like $10, $6, and that's pretty good for DressUp. I only got 2 things from DressUp, but I'm really excited with what I found. The first thing that I got was this beautiful vest that I've been waiting to wear. The inside of it is lined with like this really cute silky cashmere looking. Cashmere is not the right word. I don't know what word I'm looking for. It's just silky. And then it has these little clasps so you can close it. I'll show it to you guys on me. But it is just so cute. The reason it was marked down so much is because it's missing one of the hooks, but they gave it to me to reattach if I wanted to, but I'll probably just wear it open. I got it from DressUp. It was originally, I think on there it says $38. The sale price is on top of it. Yeah, so they actually rung this up wrong, and I'm just now noticing. They rung it up for $28, and then half of that was $14.28. So I really didn't get the craziest discount on it. I paid $14.28, but like honestly, $14.28 is really not bad for what I got. So I got that. The other thing that I got for 40% off was this gorgeous hat. I don't know about y'all, but I am obsessed with these kind of hats right now. And it's like shaped really cute. I love the way it looks. I don't have a gray one. I only have 2 different black ones. So this is originally $28 as well, and I got it for $14, so that was really exciting. It's gonna be good for my work just because we only wear like neutral colors and grays, blacks, and whites. So I was like, this is kind of like your perfect, like, I don't want to wash my hair but my curls still look kind of cute kind of hat. I don't know. But I just feel like there's a lot of things I can do with it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I had so much fun shopping. I literally went into 13 stores the day that I did this shopping haul, and it was amazing because everything was marked down for Christmas. So I had a bomb, and it took everything in my power not to spend all of my money. But I had a great time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below what your favorite item was, and I will see you guys next time for another video. You guys have a great rest of your week.